Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox Rene of Paris Kai in Ice Blonde. I'm also going to compare it to what I have on. This is my Estetica Designs Jamison RH1488 RT8. I purchased both of these wigs with my own funds from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there and check them out. Okay, let's have a look. Rene of Paris Kai. Okay, let's have a look at Kai. Beautiful red Rene of Paris box, of course. Alright, comes with a hairnet. Ice Blonde. I've reviewed this color before. It's a really pretty color, Ice Blonde. Alright, let's see how this looks. I really enjoy this color. Okay. I will insert some outdoor video after this presentation. I'm going to go outside and record some video, and I will insert that here so you can have a look at this color in outdoor lighting. But Ice Blonde, so this is a very ashy color. It's very cool toned, as you can tell. It has some gray in it. It's darker at the top, and it gets lighter. As you can see, when you get to the ends, it's very light on the on this beautiful Ice Blonde, all the way down to the tips. So this is shorter in the back, longer in the front here, graduated bob. Let's see what the cap looks like. Okay, it has a lace front and a left mono part. There feels like there's a little bit of permatease here. It doesn't feel like much, but we'll see when we try it on. It's open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays. It has a non-extended felt nape, and it has pull adjusters. And let's see, there is stretch here, good bit of stretch. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's give it a good shake. Try on Kai. Okay, first of all, it wants to fall right in my face. Not a fan of that, but we will work with that for sure. Pretty bob. Set a graduated bob. Very short in the back. Let's see, now this fits me a little large. I could probably easily take this in. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I feel like this fits me a little large. Let's look at the back. Very graduated. It's very short in the back, and then it comes down in the front. Now, like I said, I don't like things that fall in my face, so I would definitely want to spray this. I would steam this for long term, but just for a quick fix, you can always spray this up out of your face. I just have some HairUwear hairspray, and I pull it back just like this, and I spray the front. Let it sit there just a second, and that will help you get this off your face in the very beginning, just as a quick fix, like I said. You would certainly need to steam this one, I think. But that's how I like to do mine. And that takes care of that for right now. Okay, let's see how this coverage is. There's my bio hair. Good coverage. I don't even see it on this side. Like I said, I think I would take this up just a little. But this is a very popular style for Rene of Paris. Very sleek. Like I said, little to no permatease here. I mean, very minimal. This is a very sleek style. You're not going to get a lot of volume on this. You're not supposed to. Now, the specs of this come in at the fringe of this is 11 inches. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. This fringe comes in at 11 inches. The crown is 12. The nape is that short 2.25, and it weighs 3.53 ounces. Have a look at this lace front. It's really pretty, very well done. I like the highlighting that comes here, as you'll see all the way to the front. Very nicely done. This is a beautiful color, I think. This ice blonde. I enjoy ashy colors, and this is a very ashy shade. Very nice. One other thing I wanted to mention on this wig is I like that it has this 2.25 inch nape, so you can wear a jacket and you're not worrying about your nape rubbing on your collar all the time. I like that about this wig. I really think that is important. Of course, it extends the life of our wigs, and so this one is nice. It's going into cooler weather for me, so it'll be nice. I can wear this one and wear a jacket and not worry about that friction constantly on the nape. Now, here is my Jamison. I love Jamison. RH1488 RT8, one of my very, very favorite wigs. So let's just talk about the specs on Jamison. The front of Jamison is 10. The Kai is 11, so it's a little longer. The crown on Jamison is 11. The crown on Kai is 12. The nape on the Jamison is 4. It has this 4-inch nape, and like we talked about, Kai has the 2.25 inch nape, and the weight on the Jamison is 4.0, and the weight on the Kai is 3.53. So you can see they are similar, except for the Kai is shorter in the nape, more graduated than the Jamison, but they are similar styles. Now, and I think the Kai is about $40, maybe a little more expensive than Jamison, if I'm not mistaken. But a really nice style. Again, I think it needs a little steaming. It does tend to want to fall, but I think it's easily taken care of. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed making this for you, this little comparison. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Crazywiglady. I have wig giveaways there a lot. Lots of fun things happening there. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.